In a world where a cyber attack occurs every 39 seconds and costs more than $10 trillion annually, in cybercrimes, cybersecurity attacks have become a constant concern and their frequency is alarming. This is where your opportunity lies to become one of the defenders with a highly demanded certification. What will you learn in the cybersecurity certification at VLA? Our cybersecurity certification is a comprehensive program that trains you to protect systems and networks against digital threats. After completing the course, you will be prepared to confidently tackle the main cybersecurity fundamentals exams, including the prestigious ISACA certification. From cloud security, applications, processes, preparing you for critical roles such as ethical hacker, cybersecurity consultant, among others. What types of companies might hire you? Large corporations in sectors such as banking, government, and healthcare, as well as companies providing cybersecurity consulting services. Everyone needs experts to protect their data and operations. What is it like to study at VLA? The most important thing for us is that you learn how to work. At VLA, you will experience learning through professionals who are currently working in cybersecurity positions. They will be your instructors. You will receive free and unlimited tutoring. In addition to support for finding a job through VLA Jobs, you won't find an academy that cares so much about the success and well-being of its students. See you in the virtual talk.